faint song beneath her breath. Word click, tick, 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 soft as secrets never said. Word click, bird clack, the needle hums a silver light. Word click, tick, 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 stitching whispers into night. Golden daylight fades away, melting into shades of gray. Still her hands begin to glow with the magic only she can know. Oh, the threads begin to shine, weaving dreams through space and time. Every stitch a story told, quiet, warm and softly gold. When the world is fast asleep, she will sew the stars she keeps in the hush of midnight air. Little wonders bloom with care. Whir, click, burr, clack, echoes drift from far away. Whir, click, tick, 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 like a dream that wants to stay. Whir, click, burr, clack, moonlight dances on the seam. Whir, click, tick, 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 pulling silver through a dream. Shadows stretch and start to sway, guiding her along the way. Every thread begins to gleam like it's pulled from something unseen. Oh, the threads begin to shine, weaving dreams through space and time. Every stitch a story told, quiet, warm and softly gold. When the world is fast asleep, she will sew the stars she keeps in the hush of midnight air. Little wonders bloom with care. In between the night and dawn, where the silent things are drawn, tiny sparks of what could be rest within her tapestry. Oh, the threads begin to shine softly, glowing line by line. Every stitch a wish untold, wrapped in threads of silver gold. When the morning light appears, she will smile through drowsy tears. In her hands, so small, so bright, lives a piece of gentle light. Soft morning light, coffee in the air. A quiet breeze is calling me somewhere. Early sunlight through my window, warmth of coffee in my hands. A gentle wind across my shoulder brings the breath of distant lands. Leaves are softly moving slowly, dreams from yesterday remain. Standing in this quiet moment, I can breathe again. And the wind begins to whisper from a forest far away. In the calm before the daylight, I can hear it say, follow the forest road where the soft winds blow through the morning light, where the memories flow. Follow the forest road where my heart feels slow. With the scent of trees, I just let it go. Light and shadow dance around me, morning humming soft and low. Every step inside my memory feels like somewhere I should go. Coffee fading into silence, birds begin their gentle song, and I feel the forest breathing like